Wow. I'm Kells McPhillips. We're in the Well+Good offices. Today we're going to try out some VR meditation. I meditate every day when I'm being good. It kind of helps with your outlook of the world. Okay, well it kind of looks like I'm about to go scuba diving. Oh my gosh, this is wild. I'm used to kind of just a black backdrop of my eyelids, and it was like a beautiful red canyon with sun coming down from the sky. I do feel relaxed though, but in a different, I feel like it's very different than what I would normally do. Oh my god, there's Netflix? Forget meditation, we'll just watch Netflix instead.